Hey, how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw Sonic versus Mario. It's gonna be very, very cool, very exciting. It's gonna be easy as well. I'm gonna show you how to do it, and it's gonna be fun, all right? So let's hop right into it. If you're a Mario fan or a Sonic fan, don't forget to hit the like on this video, and I'll post a lot more of them. So let's hop right into the lesson right now. Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to draw Sonic versus Mario. It's going to be simple, easy for beginners, so follow along with me and you'll be able to do it as well, okay? Stay to the very end of the lesson. It's very short and you will have this knowledge in your head if you stay to the very end. So let's start with Sonic, okay? Gonna go over here and I'm gonna start with Sonic's eye, all right? So right here I'm gonna draw this curve for Sonic's eye because he's got that gravestone shape for his eye, if you noticed. Curve down. For kind of the brow as it's going downward, pull up over here to the front of his head, back over here, curve back for kind of leaning to that spike, but we're not going to draw it totally yet, okay? Triangle here for the ear, line over here, right there for the inner ear. Gonna go over here and find the eye on this side. And curve over here and curve back there. Gonna go over here in this area. Circle right there for the eye. Highlight for the eye. Let's draw the pupil, which is the, right the inside the dark part of the iris. Gonna fill that in there. And let's go over here and find the front of the nose. Out, down, in. Kind of looks like a hot dog. Line over here. Curve over here on this side. Pull in upward. Okay. Okay, let's go over here. Line. He's serious, right? Sonic is serious. He's like, what's going on here? Why am I battling? Don't forget, by the way, hit the like button if you like these kind of crossovers, or if you like Sonic, or if you like Mario. Absolutely hit that like button. It makes a huge, huge difference to the algorithm. Thank you so much. You guys are amazing. Triangle for the other ear. Line over here up. Cool. Let's get rid of it. I don't know what this is. It's like a dot of something over here. All right. We're gonna go over here. Line out for his arm. Line out for his arm. His arm is just a tube, and he is putting his hand out. So right there's the kind of cuff of his hand. Right, that cuff. Curve over the thumb. Line up here for the finger. Out, down. And he's going to be kind of kung fu blocking Mario's punch. So curve right here. This is going to be Mario's hand now. Downward over here, pull in for that finger. Line over here. Line over here. And line over here. Thumb right here. Back, curve. Out. Curve over here. We got that hand. We got that Mario hand with Sonic over here, kind of like kung fu, kind of stopping it here. Bam. We got his finger over here. We got his finger back there. Okay, cool. We got this really cool thing going on here. Let's go over here and draw Mario's face first. Okay. Circle right here for the nose. Right, he's got that circle nose, kind of that big old, kind of looks like a Muppet nose. Line up for the front of the eye. Curve over for the actual eye. Line over here. All right. I'm gonna go over here on this area. Line back. Curve for the mustache. I'm gonna draw over here and draw a curve line here for the eye as he's looking that direction. Highlight. All these guys have highlights in their eyes, and then the pupil right there. Line up, down right here for the brow. Curve right here down. Back, curve down. Line down over here. Line back. Okay, let's find his mouth down here. He's gonna be making expressions. He's gonna go whoop, whoop, right? He's gonna be yelling. Curve right here for the front of that face there. Chin back here, back of the chin. Let's go over here and draw like a C shape for his ear. Kind of connect it to that. Another C shape right here and draw a little, it looks like a Y inside of his ear. And that's kind of a big thing with this kind of stuff. Line back for the hat. Curve down for the hair. Draw a little bit more right here of that nose. And then I want to fill in this mustache. I'm going pretty quick, by the way. Please pause as you need to, rewind, all of that stuff. Say hi to me in the comment section if you can hear me right now. That's it's going to be a very big help. If you do that, be like, hey, what's up? So if you can hear my voice right now, say hi right now in the comments. Curve back for that top of that hat. Back over here. Curve. Fluffy part of the back of his hair. Okay. And now we're going to draw his, like his arm going out. Okay, so his arm is going back there. He's throwing a fist. Down. Curve right here. Find a suspender, right? Line over here. We're going to find that suspender on that side. Circle. Line over here on this side. We got the other side of the suspender. Circle. We can draw the M over here. Sorry, I forgot to draw the M. And line over here for the shoulder, and it's gonna go off the page. Line over here, off the page. Line over here. Curve for kind of the rest of the outfit right there. Downward. Line over here. You got his leg. You got over here, and you have his other leg right there. So he's punching. He's vignetting. We're vignetting this, so we're not gonna draw the bottom of the foot. Let's go over here back to Sonic. Curve over here for his stomach area. We'll draw a line over here for his arm kind of flailing out that way. And we are gonna go over here, out, down for the leg. Out over here, down for the leg. Again, his leg looks like a tube, which is really cool and easy. Don't forget, check out the Amazon coloring books we have right here if you want to support the channel and support yourself, your coloring ability. Go pick up a coloring book. It's going to be the first link in the description. Or you can just look up my name, Enrique Plazola, on Amazon. Line back over here. Tail. Not tails, but line back right here for the back. And let's go over here and take care of, oh, I'm sorry, right here. So we're going to draw a curve line for the change of color of his stomach. And then now we're going to go over here and go back. And then over here, we'll draw another spike. And then right here, another one deep down. And we're going to put one on his back as well, because he kind of has one on his back as well. Curve right here. And I don't know if I'm going to draw that foot, honestly. I think I might draw that sock down over here. And I guess we can draw that foot. But again, that's going to vignette, meaning it's going to change, right? And that's pretty much it. That is a vignette of Mario kind of punching Sonic and Sonic catching it like, oh, what's up? Please let me know who you think who would win in a real fight, right? And outside of Smash Brothers and stuff like that, who do you think would win, Sonic or Mario? Thank you so much. You guys are amazing. You're becoming a better artist every time you watch these videos. Every time you practice, you just become a little bit better. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video.